Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to install and set up the application for your AMAZFIT app on your iPhone. At first you need to open the App Store and go to search. Here you have to type ZEP. Tap this tick icon to confirm. Tap this ZEP application from ZEP.enc, and here you should see Get. If you tap Get, you'll be prompted to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID, password, or Touch ID. But I guess on your iPhone you don't have the Touch ID anymore, so you can just authorize yourself. And don't worry, it's not under a paywall. It's free. It may take some time to install this application because it's not that light application, so don't worry. Now you have to tap Open. The application will load, and now tap here Login if you do have an account, or Sign Up. If you don't have, tap Sign Up, and here you have to enter the email address, password, region, and the verification code. Here don't allow for notifications. And if you want to sign up with your any third-party account, go back, tap Login, and here, as you can see, we can log into our account, but we have the Apple, we have the Facebook and Google. So here, as I said, you have Apple, Facebook, and Google, and if you tap these three dots, you can see Login with Line or Login with Me account. So I will tap Google account, continue, and wait, of course, because I do have poor internet connection. Tap your account, choose account, just choose their account, and tap continue. Here you have to agree for everything, and now we are in, almost. Tap allow, allow using the app, allow, and now here we do have our application all set up. Here we have this Hilly ring, which was mine previously, but now it's not. But here we are all done, and to add your earbuds to your app, you need to tap Add over here, tap Add Device, tap Earbuds, tap AMAZFIT Up, Pair. Try now. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.